Namaste everyone. Sabhi ko Shubha Ram Navami. And also today on the occasion of Vishu, I wish you all happy Vishu as well. So on behalf of Team Arohanam, I'm very happy to say that we have completed today 9 days of Sri Ramanavami online Sangeeta Utsava, which is Nada Nivedanam 2025. Actually, we forgot to mention, but I'm very happy and proud to present in front of you that it's our 5th year of Nada Nivedanam, and we just completed 5 years of Ram Navami celebrations as well, along with our 5 years of Sri Tyagaraja Swami and Sri Purandaradasa Aradhana Mahotsavam as well. So this year, unlike other years, our topic for Nada Nivedanam was Dashavatara. You might wonder why. Because anyway for Aradhane, we render most of the kritis dedicated to Prabhu Sri Rama. At the same time, with the Sri Purandaradasa Aradhana, all the composition of Dasaru. So we have the other Utsav, which is Navaratri, all our renditions dedicated to Devi. So we thought, let us open the horizon, let us open different options for the participants. So we thought, let us keep Dashavatara as a theme. So right from Matsyavatara to Kalki, you can choose any avatars and you can render your Sangeeta Seve to any of the gods mentioned in the Dashavatara list. So I am very happy on behalf of Team Arohanam. I thank all the participants who took time and energy with sheer passion to render your Sangeeta Seve. This year again, we have had more than 100 renditions, although we have had 150 registrations. Many, because of illness, ongoing influenza, they couldn't render, but we have had 100 plus renditions. And again this time, we have had almost half of adult and kids, and so many new faces, so many amazing artists, and so many different compositions we could get to hear. And this opened up a different, again a different horizon for Team Arohanam. So once again, also I thank all the volunteers who are involved in the event. It takes a lot of time to go through the renditions, list them, schedule them on a daily basis, make a text preparation, text description, download your videos and upload again according to our daily schedules. It's a lot of time. So my dear friends, join me in conveying our big gratitude and tons of thanks, Dhanyavad, to all our 16-17 volunteers team involved in this Ram Navami for the video uploading process. As you might have seen, we have done in YouTube channel of Arohanam along with Instagram and Facebook page of Arohanam Germany. Now, before we end this, I'm going to also dedicate one Sri Purandaradasa Kriti. I'm going to present the Dashavatara Kriti by Sri Purandaradasa. Krishna ಬೃಂದಾವನದೋಳು ಕೊಳಲೂದಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಂದು ಗೋಪಿಯರನ್ನು ಕರೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಬೃಂದಾವನದೋಳು ಕೊಳಲೂದಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಂದು ಗೋಪಿಯರನ್ನು ಕರೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಂದೇಕೆ ಮರೆತೆಯೋ ಮಾಧವ ಬಂದು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಕಾಯೋ ಕೇಶವ ನೀರೋಳು ಆಟವ ಆಡಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ನೀ ಭಾರವ ಬೆನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೊತ್ತಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ನೀರೋಳು ಆಟವ ಆಡಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ನೀ ಭಾರವ ಬೆನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೊತ್ತಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಕೋರೆಯ ಮಸೆಯುತ್ತ ಪೊರೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ನೀ ಪೋರಾನ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಕೋರೆಯ ಮಸೆಯುತ್ತ ಪೊರೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ನೀ ಪೋರಾನ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೃಂದಾವನದೋಳು ಕೊಳಲೂದಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಂದು ಗೋಪಿಯರನ್ನು ಕರೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಇಂದೇಕೆ ಮರೆತೆಯೋ ಮಾಧವ, ಬಂದು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಕಾಯೋ ಕೇಶವ. ಒಡವಿಯ ದಾನವ ಬೇಡಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನೀ ಬಡವ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣನಾಗಿ ತಿರುಗಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಒಡವಿಯ ದಾನವ ಬೇಡಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನೀ ಬಡವ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣನಾಗಿ ತಿರುಗಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಮಡದಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನೀ ಕಡಗೋಲ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಡಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಮಡದಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನೀ ಕಡಗೋಲ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಡಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೃಂದಾವನದೋಳು ಕೊಳಲೂದಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಅಂದು ಗೋಪಿಯರನ್ನು ಕರೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಇಂದೇಕೆ ಮರೆತೆಯೋ ಮಾಧವ, ಬಂದು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಕಾಯೋ ಕೇಶವ. ಬತ್ತಲೆ ಬೌದ್ಧನಾಗಿ ತಿರುಗಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನೀ ಉತ್ತಮ ಹಯವ ಏರಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಬತ್ತಲೆ ಬೌದ್ಧನಾಗಿ ತಿರುಗಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನೀ ಉತ್ತಮ ಹಯವ ಏರಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಹತ್ತಾವತಾರವ ತೋರಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನೀ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನಲ್ಲವೇ? ಹತ್ತಾವತಾರವ ತೋರಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನೀ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನಲ್ಲವೇ? ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೃಂದಾವನದೋಳು ಕೊಳಲೂದಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಅಂದು ಗೋಪಿಯರನ್ನು ಕರೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಇಂದೇಕೆ ಮರೆತೆಯೋ ಮಾಧವ, ಬಂದು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಕಾಯೋ ಕೇಶವ. ಇಂದೇಕೆ ಮರೆತೆಯೋ ಮಾಧವ, ಬಂದು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಕಾಯೋ ಕೇಶವ. ಬಂದು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಕಾಯೋ ಕೇಶವ. ಬಂದು ನೀಯನ್ನ ಕಾಯೋ ಕೇಶವ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. So once again, happy Ram Navami and happy Vishu and Team Arohanam. On behalf of Team Arohanam, once again, dhanyavad. Thank you for all the participants and the volunteering team members. And we see you all in the next online event, that is Navakala Rohanam, which is our Navaratri online Utsav. Namaste.